I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys something that I normally do every month for me and my family. So as you guys know, I'm a single mom of 3. I'm living in a rapid rehousing program, and I'm just showing you guys what I do because, you know, life is hard. The economy is, oh, we're not going to even go there, but I normally run out of food at the end of the month. Yes, I receive EBT food stamps, but it is not enough to last for the entire month. So I just go to the Dollar Tree, and I just normally like fill up this box that I have. I call it an emergency box. And so what I do is like I fill up the box like with, you know, with numerous items, random items of snacks, ramen noodles, canned goods, chips. There are so much things like at the bottom of this bin, but you guys probably can't see. But I have like grits, cup noodles, snacks. These are extra things that I have for the kids. My kids have other snacks inside of the kitchen, but this is just like, you know, for backup, because you know once you put everything in the kitchen at one time, the kids are just gonna go ham on everything. So I just try to separate everything. So this is pretty much like an emergency box. You know, in case I run out of something, I have extra for this and have extra for that. I normally try not to put everything in the kitchen at once. You know, not to make it not so overwhelming. But I think this is a good idea, you know, for those that's on government assistance, you know, those that are, you know, on a low budget income like me, because it is hard out here, you know. And I will give you guys some ideas too, like go to some of these like food pantries and, you know, stock up and just, you know, you just never know. So this is like some of the items, showing you guys a picture. I also use the I don't know if you guys have the Medicaid, if you guys know about the Medicaid, the Sunshine Medicaid, OTC, over-the-counter benefit. So as you guys know, they give you about $50 a month. So I normally, well, you can get it per child, but I normally just stock up on that too. I had a little bit more than this, but a lot of things had got damaged inside of our storage, so I threw it away, unfortunately. But these are some of the items that you can get. You can get the Always Maxi Pads. You can get vitamins for the kids. You also can get melatonin as well. They have the cleansing wipes that you can use, the cotton rounds. They just started putting the bounce dryer sheets inside of there. You can get Sensodyne toothpaste. They normally on the site have a lot of different toothpastes that you guys can get. They also have the kids toothpaste too as well. They have a lot of things on there. I normally stock up on these things because these are things that you normally need for the household. And it's very expensive. And they just also put the Ivory soap up there too as well. So I got like some of those too. The Ivory soap, you know, for the household. You can get a Pantene Pro V shampoo, conditioner. They have the Good Floss Sticks. You can get panty liners. They have the tongue cleaners that you can get too as well. There are a lot of things that you can get and stock up on. So I normally put everything inside of this this little tote bin right here, as you can see, and I just put it away because these are extras. I have other items, but these are just extra items that I don't touch because I'm stocking up. I'm just trying to stock up on everything, you know, before the program ends. So these are some of the ideas.